Armanians family, it's growing, and how, dude?
It's amazing, right?
So how do you react to all the Armanians, you know, loving you and the crazy fan following and all of that?
It's amazing. I'm now used to it. क्योंकि इतना हो चुका है, and I love them a lot. And I respond to quite a few messages that I get on social media.
You're very active.
I'm very active. And that's the reason I think the fandom keeps increasing, because they really love a celebrity who can interact with them like a friend.
True.
So I become that friend for them, and I think that's why we have that great relationship between the fans and me.
Okay, also मुझे पता है कि सोनू निगम is like an idol.
My
for
God.
You. Your God.
Yes.
तुमने बहुत सारी बार ये कहा है कि सोनू निगम के वजह से तुमने एक्चुअली गाना स्टार्ट किया है.
Yeah.
तो ये कनेक्शन कब बिल्ड हुआ?
ये एक्चुअली स्कूल के टाइम ही बिल्ड हुआ था. उस टाइम पे मैं जो गाने सुनता था, that was only सोनू निगम, क्योंकि at that time he was the top playback singer. एंड उनके हर गाने ने मुझे एक अलग ही तरीके से इम्पैक्ट किया है. देयर वाज दिस वन सॉन्ग जो मेरा सबसे फेवरेट था, कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
राइट.
एंड वो मैंने एक रियलिटी शो पे गाया था, एंड पीपल स्टिल रिमेंबर दैट परफॉर्मेंस व्हेन आई वाज 10.
वाओ.
एंड मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल है व्हेन ही गिव्स मी सम कॉम्प्लीमेंट. एंड जब आई रिसेंटली वेंट फॉर माय वर्ल्ड टूर आल्सो, उन्होंने कहा बेस्ट ऑफ लक एंड हैव एन अमेजिंग टूर. एंड उस टाइम पे इवन ही वाज टूरिंग, सो ही वाज रियली प्राउड कि मैं खुद का एक फर्स्ट टूर कर रहा हूँ पैरेलली विद हिम. सो इट्स अ ग्रेट फीलिंग. एंड जब भी मेरा एक नया गाना आता है, कुछ भी होता है, आई ऑलवेज शेयर इट विद हिम एंड ही गिव्स मी फीडबैक.
द बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट जो सोनू निगम ने दिया है तुमको?
उनसे किसी ने पूछा था कि आपके फेवरेट सिंगर्स कौन है इस जनरेशन में, एंड ही टुक माय नेम.
That's so sweet.
So I think उससे बड़ा और कोई compliment नहीं हो सकता. And to get it directly from someone who I've looked up to, and बचपन से ही मैं उनका बहुत बड़ा fan रहा हूँ. So to able to get that compliment from him was a big thing.
सलमान खान के साथ interactions तुम्हारे कैसे होते हैं? मतलब what is the best thing that he's told you?
He told me that at one point of time he told me that you don't know how to dance.
Huh?
Yes.
Dance?
Yeah. मतलब I had gone to meet him at his house. and उन्होंने कहा था just dance for me. and उस टाइम पे मेरे को मतलब I didn't know how to dance properly. तो ऐसे कुछ move किया था. अच्छा, next day से he put me onto a dance class.
He told me that I don't know how to dance. Salman Khan put you into a dance class. And obviously because you were a singer already.
Yeah, so he told me that you need to be a full performer. You need to be able to how to dance, how to sing, both together on stage. So I think that was an advantageous thing. तो उस Zariye, I learned how to dance, and I have a little bit of dance in me, but he said this is not enough, you need to be a good dancer. So then I learned dance from one of his own proteges, Mudassar Khan.
Wow.
So then I learned for a bit under him, and us bahane at least I learned how to dance. So I think I must give it to him for that.
Listen, this also we didn't know. Okay.
But he always inspires me to do bigger, better, and work harder.
Does he pick up phone 4 बजे अगर सलमान खान को कॉल आए?
But we have to pick up his phone.
अच्छा.
We definitely have to pick up anytime.